The center has lifted all restrictions on the supply of industrial and commercial LPG, restoring supplies to pre-crisis levels following the ceasefire between the US and Iran. The Petroleum Ministry said the decision was taken after the LPG supply situation improved. Oil marketing companies have been directed to resume normal supplies and maintain a unified database of commercial and industrial consumers to ensure better planning and monitoring. The government also said commercial and bulk consumers who have already shifted to piped natural gas or PNG will continue using it. Other eligible consumers will gradually transition to PNG wherever the network is possible. The restrictions were imposed in early March after disruptions caused by the West Asia conflict affected LPG supplies. The curbs were later eased in phases with supplies restored to 70% of pre-crisis levels before the latest decision. The center has also withdrawn its earlier directive reserving propane and butane exclusively for domestic LPG production, easing supply constraints for industries that depend on these fuels.